Ladies and gentlemen, good evening, Yoshiki Kevanok. At least you have seen the movie and you know now why everyone wants to come in Accor Hotel. Actually, I would like to start first to tell you that I was very frustrated last year. I could not come and I miss you. So I'm really happy to be with you tonight and to have this occasion to share and meet with you for all these gala. 2017, as it has been said already, it was a great year, fantastic year, at least for the travel industry. As far as Orbis is concerned, it has been an amazing and outstanding year, where we have continued to make progress and a remarkable project over the year, over all the markets we are, and you have understood from the questionnaire that we are in 16 countries, and specifically in Budapest. Let me highlight you just a few main projects we have done over just last year. We have launched for the third year in a row a bunch of modernization about the Mercure City, Budapest City Center, and it will be finished by the end of this quarter. The Mercure Corona, which will be fully renovated, and the Mercure Buda, which will be fully transformed. On the top, we have enlarged, and you have seen that with the last question as well, we have enlarged the network with the latest Ibis-style Budapest Airport, which is the first hotel having a connection direct to the terminal. Our hotel network development, the innovation, the guest experience project oriented will continue, and this is our main priority. We introduce a new guest approach in the Mercure City Center, which will be, let's say, a kind of pilot for our network, where guests will check in and check out on mobile devices, as well as a new restaurant concept, which has already made the proof of the efficiency in Poland, in Romania, and now is coming in Budapest. The name is Winestone, and you will hear about this concept. Beginning of next year, you will see the opening of the first combo hotel as well, which is Mercure and Ibis, which is the result of the transformation of the Mercure Buda. And then the former Hotel Vienne in Budapest will be fully renovated and reopened by the end of the year under the Ibis-style brand. So you can see that Ibis-style is growing. I told you 2 years ago we launched a new brand in Budapest. By the end of the year, 4 hotels under this brand will be. Being the sole licensor of the Accor Hotel brands in 16 countries, and the leading operator in this region with more than 120 hotels, and actually Zoltan, this is 125 if you want the exact figures. Orbis' position is very solid, and actually I would say Orbis has never ever been so strong in terms of financial capacities and leads, which is on the go. More than 30% of our network is already secure for the next 3 years, which will come on top of the 120 hotels. We have the talents, we have the right strategy to go even further. And when I talk about talents, I'm talking about the dream team, which is partly here in this room, but in all our hotels. We can go even further, but to go further and to keep growing in a sustainable way, we need to look into the future. And this is all about the movie. We have to anticipate and understand the change and the challenges which is disrupting us, disrupting our industry. I'm talking about the digital revolution, but actually this is already an old word. I mean, we start to hear about a lot. But it is totally making a revolution in all industries, specifically in the hospitality. But I'm talking as well about the social demographic changes, which is a real issue for all of us, which will be a real challenge for the years to come. We all know how the mobile technology changed the face of the hospitality forever. And we also that millennials will represent at least 50% of our workforce and our guests by 2020. This is based on a worldwide survey, actually for Eastern Europe, the weak eastern part of Europe, and if I take only the example of Orbis, We are already at 53% of our workforce being millennials. So it's going fast, even faster than expected. And we know that the customer expectation will be higher and higher, and much higher than before. So new age brings new challenges that need a new way of thinking. This is what we do at Accor Hotel in Orbis, what we try to do at least. We embrace the future by pursuing our cultural change. It is inevitable. In order to create an even more engaging work environment, and by evolving and creating the hotel experience of tomorrow. And as Nora said already and made a nice promotion for us, I would like to kindly invite you in the Aula for visiting our Ibis-style Budapest Airport through the VR glasses. It will be amazing. And to discover as well the brand new and built-in Mercure Corona rooms, which has been put in place in Aula, at least you will discover inside the hotel in, let's say, a kind of exclusivity. Thank you for your attention and enjoy the evening.